Tecno Spark 30 Pro review. Hello friends. Today, we're diving deep into the Tecno Spark 30 Pro model, examining it in all its details. With its stylish design, powerful camera features, and impressive display performance, could this phone be a good alternative in the mid-range market? What does it offer in daily use? How is its gaming performance? Is the camera really as impressive as it seems? We'll answer all these questions in this review. Plus, we'll discuss how valuable it is compared to its price and the performance it offers. If you're looking for a new smartphone, don't make a decision without considering this model. Before we dive into the video, I'd like to remind you, my dear friend, that I need your support. Please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments. It would really make me happy. Now, let's take a closer look at the Tecno Spark 30 Pro design and durability. Let's start with the design. The Tecno Spark 30 Pro has a slim and modern build. With a length of 166.6mm, a width of 77mm, and a thickness of 7.4mm, it feels comfortable in hand. It's also IP54 certified, meaning it's resistant to dust and splashes of water, offering extra protection for daily use. Although the exact material of the back cover and frame isn't specified, it definitely has a premium feel. The Optimus Prime Edition, with its Transformers-themed special design, is particularly interesting for collectors. Display performance. On the display side, we have a 6.78-inch AMOLED panel. With support for 1 billion colors, a 120Hz refresh rate, and a peak brightness of 1700 nits, it provides a smooth and vibrant visual experience. The resolution is 1080 by 2436 pixels, which means Full HD+ level. We can easily say that it offers a satisfying screen experience for daily use, social media, and multimedia consumption. I would be really happy if you like the video, your support means a lot to me. Performance. Now, let's talk about performance. The heart of the device is the MediaTek Helio G100 processor. Developed using 6nm technology, this processor provides sufficient performance for daily use. Thanks to the 2.2 GHz Cortex-A76 cores, there is no lag when switching between apps or browsing the internet. The Mali G57MC2 GPU supports gaming performance, providing a stable experience at medium settings in games like PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty Mobile, but performance may drop at higher graphics settings. On the software side, it runs on Android 14 with the iOS 14 interface. There are plenty of customization options, and the interface works smoothly. Your support is very important to me. Don't forget to like the video. Camera features. When it comes to the camera, the 108MP main camera stands out. With an f/1.9 aperture and a large sensor, it captures more light and performs better, especially in low light conditions. There's also a secondary lens, although its exact function isn't specified. The camera app includes quad LED flash, HDR, and AI-supported enhancement features. For video recording, it supports 1440p and 1080p resolutions at 30 fps. On the front, there's a 13MP selfie camera, which can take better shots in low light thanks to its dual LED flash. The video recording is set to 1080p at 30 fps, which is sufficient for video calls and social media posts. If you like the video, you would be giving me great support. Audio and connectivity. Moving on to audio and connectivity features, the Tecno Spark 30 Pro has stereo speakers, offering a better audio experience while listening to music or watching videos. It also includes a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is a nice touch. With 24-bit, 192 kHz high-res audio support, you can enjoy high-quality sound whether using wired or wireless headphones. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, and NFC support, enabling fast internet connections and contactless payments. Additionally, the inclusion of FM radio is a nice touch, especially for those who enjoy listening to radio. I can't do this without your support. I'm looking forward to your likes and comments. Battery performance. As for battery performance, it comes with a large 5000 mAh battery. It easily lasts a full day of regular use, and even under heavy usage, it can last through the day. With 33 watts fast charging support, the device can reach a full charge in about 60 to 70 minutes. However, it does not support wireless charging. You can support me by liking the video, your support means everything. Security and other features. For security, there's an in-display optical fingerprint sensor, which works quickly. Alternatively, there's facial recognition, but since it's software-based, it's not as secure as the fingerprint sensor. Furthermore, I didn't face any issues with long-term usage. The phone delivered satisfying results for daily tasks. Price and general evaluation. The price of the Tecno Spark 30 Pro is around $200. In this price range, it seems like a reasonable option considering the display, camera, and battery performance. It could be an excellent choice for social media use, multimedia consumption, and everyday tasks. However, those seeking more powerful processors and higher gaming performance might find this model a bit limited. I would really appreciate it if you like the video, it's really important to me. Conclusion. The Tecno Spark 30 Pro is a phone that offers good features for its price in the mid-range segment. If you're looking for an affordable model, it's definitely worth considering. What do you think about this device? Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. If you liked the video, you can support the channel by subscribing and turning on notifications. See you in the next review, take care.